ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools versus human effort, which one wins? In today's world, technology is advancing every day, and AI has become an integral part of many businesses. ONPASSIVE is an AI-tech company that builds tools and applications which are aimed at driving the growth rate of businesses. However, some people wonder if the use of these tools can replace the need for human effort entirely. This video explores ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools and compares them to human effort to determine which one wins. Welcome to this video where we discuss the competition between ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools and human effort. ONPASSIVE is a unique platform that offers AI-powered tools to automate different business processes. The use of these tools has raised a debate on whether they can replace human effort. The debate regarding the use of ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools and human effort has been ongoing. ONPASSIVE provides many tools that can help businesses streamline their processes, improve operational efficiency, and save time. On the other hand, human effort has its strengths, such as creativity and the power to think outside the box. ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools are designed to automate different business processes such as social networking platform, video conferencing platform, web email platform, etc. These tools use advanced technologies, such as machine learning and natural language processing, to help businesses understand customer behavior and preferences. AI-powered tools can work 24/7, reducing human effort and saving time and resources. Human effort plays an important role in the success of any business. Humans have cognitive abilities that allow them to think creatively and develop solutions to complex problems. Human interaction in customer service is more personal and provides a human touch. Creativity and empathy can lead to innovation and business evolution. Which one wins? The answer to this question depends on the context and the task in question. Some business processes require human effort, such as creative roles like art, design, and content creation. Conversely, repetitive and mundane tasks, like data entry and invoice processing, can be automated by AI-powered tools. The best approach is to combine the strengths of both AI-powered tools and human effort. AI can handle technical tasks and analysis, while humans can handle creative roles and complex problem-solving. This combination can improve overall productivity and efficiency while maximizing the benefits of each. In conclusion, the use of ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools and human effort should not be a competition, instead, a partnership that complements each other. When used correctly, they can lead to increased productivity, cost savings, and business growth. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave comments and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.